In this video, we will present the Align, Auto-Size, and Distribute tools. The Align and Distribute tools are located on the Align section on the top toolbar. If you expand the Align icon, you can see several alignment tools and some tools which can automatically distribute horizontal and vertical distance between objects. On the Resize section, you see tools to automatically resize objects. Notice that the Align and Resize tools are not visible until you have two or more objects selected. So the Align and Resize tools are available only when they can actually be applied. In the same way, the distribution tools become apparent only when you have at least 3 objects selected. Let's start with the Align tools. If you select these 2 ellipses, then the Align tools are visible. Now, if you click on the Align left, the software shall align the ellipses to their left edge. Have in mind that the alignment is performed according to the object that bears the magenta outline. The last selected object gets a magenta outline to show that the operations are performed based on that object. If you form a rectangle around all ellipses, the last one to get into that rectangle gets the magenta outline. This means that all selected objects will align according to the left side of the object which was added last. In the same way, you can align centers vertically or align right sides or align tops. Align center horizontally or align bottoms. The size tools can be used to automatically match width, height, or both dimensions of one object to others. If you select these ellipses and use same width, then the ellipses will be edited to get the same width. As mentioned earlier, the operation is performed according to the last selected object, which bears the magenta outline. The green ellipse has the magenta outline here, so the other ellipses are resized to get the width of the green ellipse. Likewise, you can choose the same height or the same size. The other ellipse is changed to match the height and width of the green ellipse. Now, let's have a look at the distribution tools. Using these tools, you can adjust the horizontal and vertical spacing among the selected objects. You need to select at least 3 objects to have the tool enabled. If you use equal horizontal spacing, the horizontal distance between the objects becomes equal. In the same way, you can adjust the vertical spacing. So, if you use equal vertical spacing, the vertical distance between the objects becomes equal.